Hi, today we are about to create a function closest elevator. It takes three arguments: left, the current floor of the left elevator; right, the current floor of the right elevator; and call, the floor that called an elevator. And it should return the name of the elevator closest to the called floor. And very important, in the case where both elevators are equally distant from the called floor, we have to choose the elevator to the right. Well, here we are. First of all, we start with a condition. So if the called floor minus the left floor is less than the called floor minus the right floor, we should return left. And in all the other cases, we should just return right. If the left and right elevator are equally distant from each other from the called floor, then we should return right as well. There we go. And here we get an error. Oh, well, there's a typo. Right. Let's start with the first one. The call floor is 0. The elevator on the left side is 0. And on the right side, it's on the first floor. So it should return left. And it does return right. Why is that? The call floor is 0 and the left floor is also 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. And here we have the call floor again, which is 0, and the right will be 1. So this will return minus 1. And minus 1 is more than 0. How do we overcome this? For that we have the abs function, which stands for absolute, and it returns the absolute value of a number. So when we have a negative number, it returns a positive number. And this is what we have to put in use. So we use the absolute function here, the abs function. And this is exactly what we need. The right elevator is more distant than the left elevator in this case. Let's try it again. And there we have it left. And of course, we can write this in one line as well. Return left if, and then this line. Else right. There we go. Let's try it out. There we go, attempt. Hope this video has been useful and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.